Your body speaks in whispers through mood, through energy, through rhythm. When stress builds and hormones shift, it's not imbalance. It's a quiet call for stillness. This practice is that stillness, a soft, grounding flow to help you release tension, calm your nervous system, and bring your hormones back into harmony through breath, awareness, and gentle movement. Feel the rise and fall beneath your palms, your breath, your rhythm, your inner balance. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth. Do this a few times, as if every breath is washing your body clean from the inside out. Now, move into seated cat-cow. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, lift your gaze. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, flow gently, massaging your organs, awakening the spine, and soothing your endocrine system with every wave of breath. shift into child's pose. Knees wide, arms long, forehead resting on the mat. Let your hips sink back. This pose invites your adrenals, those tiny glands that carry your stress, to soften, to rest, to let go. Breathe deeply into your lower belly. Now, rise into low lunge. Feel the gentle stretch in your hips, where we often store emotional tension. Lift your arms overhead, open your chest toward the sky, and breathe into your heart space. This opens the pathways that balance feminine hormones and restore emotional flow. Switch sides when you are ready. Come down slowly into reclined butterfly pose. Feet together, knees falling open. Feel the warmth of your own touch. This is where balance begins, in gentle awareness, not effort. Stay here for a few long breaths. Let your nervous system unwind. Let your hormones find their natural rhythm again. You don't have to chase balance. You just have to slow down long enough to receive it. Healing isn't something you force. It's something you allow. As you settle into Savasana, let your body feel heavy. Let your thoughts drift. like clouds passing through a quiet sky. This is your reset, your body remembering peace, your breath remembering flow. If this practice supported you, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a lovely day.